Hi crafty friends, it's Donna here from Donna is Playing Paper and DonnaDoll74 on Instagram. And I've got a fun card for you today, which I made while watching Craft Roulette. When the Craft Roulette wheel was spun, we needed to make a card with a belly band using Daisy Garden colours, the element good, and a random thing of bark. This week's episode had my friend Michelle on it, and so to encourage her, I tried to make my card in real time along with her. I'm starting with this dog's foilable panel from Pink and Main, and with the words woof, which is a bark, and good dog on it, I thought this would be perfect to cover two of those parameters. I'm wiping down my panel and the back of the foil and running that through my ink machine before letting it cool on my glass mat. Then the magic of peeling back and revealing my foiled panel. This little dog here is called March Pup, and I've stamped it with Memento Tuxedo black ink because it won't bleed then when I colour this with my Copic Markers. I don't mind fussy cutting my images out, but I do love it when there's a coordinating die. I would never have cut around that note near the dog's nose if I'd been cutting by hand. I'm going to colour this pretty simply, mostly with 2 or 3 colour blends. I'll pop the numbers of the markers that I've used on the screen. I've sped most of the colouring up, either 2 times or 4 times, and while I'm colouring, I'm going to play some music. It's a piece called Gnomes, written by my son Darcy for this channel. I gave him a card with a picture of some gnomes on it as inspiration, and this is what he came up with. So I'll let you enjoy that while I get this image coloured. I love this cute dog and I love this background, but for me, to put one on the other is too much. And so that's how I'm going to bring in the belly band. I'm going to put a band of vellum around the middle of my panel just to tone back the background, right where my image is going to sit. And then I'm going to pop my sausage dog up onto an oval. I hardly ever use ovals in my card making. I'm not sure why. but I just thought it would be perfect today. I've cut a background for my panel to give it a little bit of a border and glued that down. I'd love to know what everybody else uses to glue these foiling panels. To me, they feel like they have a bit of a plasticky surface, and I wasn't sure whether I could use regular glue or not. So I've gone with double-sided tape, both for my vellum belly band and for the whole panel. I'm going to pop my image up with some foam tape so that it separates it even further from the background. And then, on the inside of the card, I'm going to stamp Yappy Birthday, which comes from the same March Pup stamp set. So, my card has a belly band, and the colours are Daisy Garden. I have the word good and bark covered. I'll leave you with some close-up photos of the card. Feel free to like this video by pressing the little thumbs up, or to subscribe if you'd like to see what's coming next. Otherwise, just walk on by, and I'll see you when I see you. Or why not go and follow Craft Roulette or Michelle Lupton's channel? I'll leave links in the description box. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.